broso. She was hanging with the wrong crowd. The question was, where were you? Where were you as the mother? Where were you as the mother? People should stop pushing unnecessary motherfucker agenda and stop making it look like it's Mcbrown's problem. People should stop making it look like a Mcbrown problem. And a bonsam on your shame from what I said, one free bonsam so from Jimmy free bonsam so bonsam I bonsam on the you requote to a girl now. And I was on a view and some good company. I said Suzzy Williams was all over. How many nights now the Makumba not near doing to? How many nights? What was she doing in Makumba? Madam, what was she doing in Makumba?
Abusia somewhere in 2005, around September 8th, and Ghana for Auntie Asampa. Yeah, Ababa was so near friend Suzzy Williams. Yeah, no, a movie actress. Suzzy Williams. Na ukushia ni nkwanshia wu ya kushia ni nkwanshia wu abrana one nanfofo etike mo mko ba bi ni ade kunya accidental omu ya Suzzy Williams Antimi enya enkwasampa in 2005 na busuani wu na chi no ensem bebre aba said mo amunim kan ha actor bia na say popular person bia and say ebia celebrity bi efimu na ye pese ya attribute to death no to obi na aye ne sa na obi na aye ne sei na obi pese o take ni sign away na we you free ho na say ni say back and forth among for atcheche madwe wo from that time na ba be sine ya sa semleka na among for chance hu say na mama Mcbrown pushi okona ni mu abrabo mu nyame ehira no nyame bia kwan edema no okona ni mu ni ade no free UTV na onuafo befa no na okona ni na ni program say nipa gini tu na nipa eni gine ho I mean ohwa na among for the no to Suzzy Williams won say Suzzy Williams just pa and can popularity ni no man na mama Mcbrown ka girl no betimi aye na kese ni ade amanye amanfo kira madwen fa ho ni ade but the brain was speculative say na mama Mcbrown o bibi efa sabiu ewu Suzzy Williams ewu I remember say one fetish priest be that can sing be near the fine social media and amanfo akeke comadwen but Mcbrown still remains the darling girl the people's mother indeed omokakra na sabi to da ya na enfasa ni ade but obey any day
Madam, nobody owes you anything.
Suzzy Williams no mame and say all the simi be to gami ade and say all kind of banana esu ni ade on the arabo say no kai getting into September biano no all kai sa no man a normal thing that happens in our life fine now and some man for keke mu head and can yi na bi mu person refer to na Mcbrown say oh on sa di or mu head and can specifically and actress and people are pointing fingers at and Mcbrown say ono na say be bia allegedly what on sabi wo dan you I mean you can just conclude that you can justify that too with no evidence near there but sana man foka na ene na afia Schwarzenegger afia soa mama Valentina or the Sunday Babuja and some of the Babuja so Ghana for munya de mo church no now sorry I'm pointing fingers at Nana Mcbrown and I say one of the coons realize no any see and some na Ghana for big can or fire almost munya sans no kwa munya sans can now what says Williams mama said onya sa hwani mu no na o ye no na ono ne ba no atiasie na ne ba no ye drugs ne ba no siwi na no monsane ade it is oba kono no monsan akosi siwi na one ne nanfo ere ka akwa na obi akwa kowu am obi an try said obi blame me before akwa no ewu ni ade no asra mi oba kana dia trega na for bebre ya mo speculate say this is mo ke kan semfa Suzzy Williams wo no Suzzy Williams no living filthy life no living bad life nti wanya
I
tete pos ba
wasn't
mana
there.
mama na
I
ntumi ante
am
tene ba
just
yi a
saying
mo
what
metna
I
ho me
was.
klemi e ma me
We
sound
all heard in
emotional
the
ma obi
club.
ama ma ke tenten ne sound na
Obuchenya
mama
said,
brand so ana say
Obubi,
obi
Obano,
me hold
Oshishe.
obi reprehensive of
So
ne ba no
stop
e
blaming
wo ni ade
people.
no na mama brown
Stop it.
eni bibia wo ni nsem bia
Stop
ana so ni
blaming
nsem bia wo
people.
girl no ankasa ne life
Stop
ya no
blaming
Olivia
people.
Suzzy
Stop.
Williams the life
Jai,
and
mommy, Jai.
Olivia na Olivia Philby
Jai,
life
Jai,
smoke
Jai,
weed ni
Jai.
ade
Oh, yes, I am
na e
baby
no ne
girl.
result
Jai,
no no esa
Jai.
state bi say Suzzy
Kofi,
Williams wo
go
no
back to the drawing board
ɛno
and
ɛna ɛsesa no
re-examine
ɛma ne
yourself.
think right sɛ no nneɛma bi wɔ hɔnom a ɛwɔ sɛ ogye mu yɛ ɔno
Re-examine
ɔmo write down
yourself.
no
Obi oha, ohun say, I love my daughter so much, or I love my
ɔso
child so
onyae
much. And
ɔso
to me,
ɔno
Tiano. But there's
Suzzy
something
Williams
called tough
ewuo no
love.
ɛna
And
ɛsesa no
until you practice
ɛma
that
ne
with your
start sɛ ɔbɛthink
child,
right
one
na
prayer, you
watoto ne
will
nneɛma
be
yie
the one
because
at
ɛma
the
n'ani so te ne
crying end.
nwan wei ne nsɛm
You
a
will be the one
Sweet
at the
Valentina
receiving end of the
Afia
tears.
Schwarzenegger
Spare
ɛde
the
bɛto
rod
dwa
and
ɛma remfi
spoil
ha yɛ
the child.
GW1 TV wonya subscribe yɛ ano ayɛ ne fast yɛnkɔ na
Spare
yɛnkɔhwɛ
the
video no
rod and spoil
na
the
yɛba a
child.
na
Your
yɛbɛtoa so
daughter was living a wild life. Mrs. She, Suzzy Williams, was a turning point for me. I'm telling you today. I am telling you, Suzzy Williams was a turning point to most of us. Most of us. Suzzy Williams became the turning point. And when you ask God to heal you, carry your daughter's story with all honesty. Because some of us, if you decide to be honest about it, we will push you. We will push you. Tell the story in truth. Tell the story in truth, in all honesty. Use yourself as a point of contact. What tell the American? Use yourself as a point of contact. Now educate the youth. Educate the youth. When Susie Williams died, Susie was 2005, remember? Yeah, September 2005 or something. When she died, I was a music producer. I was a music producer. My husband, my late husband's best friend, was Nana King and the wife, Nana Queen. Ashanti International. We used to go to the house every day from Labodi to Dansuma. Yako haya ni adie. Yako haya. Sit down and ask God for divine healing and tell the truth of the story. Tell your story. You can write a book. What really happened? Because some of us, we still remember. Me Namawu James and John. I was wild like an animal. Uka bibia me tie obronire. Be free hane me see hana yeah. Satan Joti, you born up. We were all over. All over. That time not Ghana for girls. Ghana for girls do do saying. And they're driving. That was my early 20s. We were all over. We were wild. Wild. And then Michelle Kolankola we have no money, Mr. Michelle Kolankola we have more and Amaye. Hey, near time like social media or one community record and clear that all. We were wild. Edwin was into drugs. Susan was doing weed. At least we know me or bar or share me shibi. Nana Kony in alcohol koshe. Na girl never hobeshe. Stop blaming innocent people. Stop blaming innocent people. And I trust me. you'll be any actress go be far what You people should stop selling unnecessary, irrelevant controversies. The beer. Obi na you obi bibi. Let me just tell you that we are living with the consequences of our actions. It is what it is. It is what it is. And it's all Korean son. Now sheshe. Now my boy. Every so why we say why when it all say no when it now. Now what's not come on, I don't must be there crash who be who. It's not the devil. Please give Satan a fucking break. Give Satan a fucking break. When some cry, I fed up. It is normal for the woman to grieve because Susan Tiasia, Suzzy Williams, and now what Tiasia, and where will she be? Where will her mother be? The mother did not reap where she sowed. Also, bad parenting took part. Bad parenting. We all fall we all fall in the hands of bad friends. But guess what? We have parents back home who call us to order. They call us to order. And instead of you to blame everybody, can you just sit down and take 30 minutes and blame yourself for the kind of daughter you raised? It is what it is, and it's the truth. It is the truth. I am not here to speak ill of the dead. You don't want to know your daughter. Do you know what your daughter was doing out there, madam? Stop pointing fingers at anybody. Maybe you should look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself the truth. Every day, somebody must be blamed for someone's mistake. Who, madam, the kind of lifestyle your daughter was living was death. It was a deadly trap. I'm telling you today. It's not like you know, see, I and I'm telling you, I said your daughter's death became a decision. I learned a lot from your daughter's death. I am telling you today, me, Valentina, I learned a lot from your daughter's death. And people around me will tell you that me yenye me bia me body din you say na Suzzy Williams here ya wo show me di futuo. What your daughter was doing was deadly. See? Head to. One thing I mean, can one money back for my will be Jimmy Bekum. Fame got into her head. She was very talented. Oh my God, or Campbell for an hour say woman. She was talented. She was intelligent. She got carried away with it. She got daughter, if not for anything, saved a lot of us. Especially me, your daughter, Obano or Jimmy. Because anyway, a team say, why? And mommy ni better. And mommy decided to focus on my children, on my life. It became a turning point in my life. Blame your bad parenting choices and move on. Now, Mcbrown. Mcbrown has never been the friend of Suzzy Williams. I stand to be corrected. Never. And she said, Mcbrown, wako hai dayama Suzzy Williams mamea. Not just an anama woye ni papa. Woye ni papa. As kind as I am, me if you as kind as I am, many. I didn't say now about 7 hours, but then and so fucking what? And so fucking what? I mean, fuck, man. What the fuck, you people? Sit up. The world does not revolve around people's emotions. People's emotions do not run the world. Obi fa baby abekwa akoda ho. Opekwa mesi kwa ege na neda medwa. Kwa so nobody will stop you. Stop it, madam. Stop it.